Hello, everyone, and welcome.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back.
Today, we're talking about how to make your wife love you so much again.
Yes, but in a kind way,
Right, not by control, not by pressure.
but by love, care, respect, and small good actions.
This is a very important topic.
Yes, because love needs care.
Sometimes, after some time, a husband and wife feel a little far from each other.
Life gets busy. Work is busy. The house is busy. The mind is busy.
And sometimes, love is still there, but it feels quiet.
Yes, quiet love is still love.
That is true.
So today, we want to talk about simple ways to bring love back.
Simple, real, and gentle ways.
Mark, what is the first thing a husband should do?
I think the first thing is this: listen.
Yes.
Really listen.
Not only hear words.
Yes, hear the feeling too.
Sometimes a wife says, "You never talk to me."
And maybe she means, I miss you.
Exactly.
Or she says, you are always on your phone.
And maybe she means, "Please see me."
So the first step is not big words.
The first step is attention.
Put the phone away
Look at her face.
and ask, how are you, really?
That one word, really, can change the feeling.
Yes, because it sounds honest.
And before we go on, if you enjoy our simple English talks,
Ah, yes.
please subscribe to the channel.
And if this video helps you,
Please like the video too, so it can reach another English learner.
thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. And now, let's continue.
So, listening is step 1.
What is step 2?
Step 2 is be kind again.
Again, I like that word.
Because sometimes, in the beginning, people are very kind.
Very kind, very sweet, very polite.
Yes, very sweet.
Then later, they become too comfortable.
And they stop saying simple things.
Like, "Thank you.
Please,
You look nice today."
I'm happy you are here.
These are small sentences.
But they are strong,
A wife wants to feel loved, but also seen.
seen, and valued.
So a husband can start with simple daily words,
Yes, every day.
not only on birthdays.
Not only when he forgets something.
Yes, not only when he is in trouble.
Exactly.
Another big thing is respect.
Yes, love grows in respect.
Speak gently.
Do not shout.
Do not make fun of her pain.
Do not speak badly about her in front of others.
Even jokes can hurt sometimes.
Very true.
A safe heart loves deeply.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hope, what makes a wife feel close again?
I think emotional safety.
Tell us more.
She should feel, I can speak and he will not attack me.
Yes.
I can be sad and he will not laugh.
Yes.
I can make a mistake and he will still respect me.
That is very important.
Love is not only flowers.
Though flowers are nice.
Yes, flowers are nice.
Very nice.
But real love is how you speak, how you act, and how you stay.
Stay, even when things are not easy.
Yes.
What about helping at home?
Oh, very important.
I knew you would say that.
Of course.
Tell us why.
Because love is not only words.
It is action, too.
If she is tired, help her.
Wash the dishes.
Clean the table.
Watch the children for a while.
Bring her water. Bring her tea. Ask what she needs.
This says, we are a team,
Yes, not your work and my work all the time.
but our home.
When a husband helps with love, the wife feels less alone.
And feeling less alone is powerful.
Very powerful.
What if there was pain in the past?
Then, honesty matters.
Yes.
If you hurt her, do not act like nothing happened.
Say, I know I hurt you.
I am sorry.
I want to do better.
And then do better.
Yes, because sorry needs action.
A real apology is not only words.
It is change.
Mark, do you think romance still matters after many years?
Yes, maybe even more.
I agree.
Romance does not need a lot of money.
No, not at all.
It can be a note,
A small message,
a walk together,
a cup of tea at night,
sitting and talking for 10 minutes.
looking at her and saying, I remember when we first met.
Ah, that is sweet.
Yes, very sweet.
Sometimes people think love returns with one big action.
But often, it returns with many small actions.
Small actions, every day.
Love likes daily care.
What should a husband stop doing?
Good question.
Maybe stop taking her for granted.
Yes.
Stop thinking, she knows I love her, so I do not need to show it.
Show it.
Stop comparing her to other women.
Never do that.
Yes, that hurts deeply.
Stop ignoring small problems.
Small problems become big walls.
And stop waiting for her to do all the repair work.
The husband should also try.
Love is two people trying, not one person carrying everything.
And what about trust?
Trust is everything.
If you say something, do it.
If you promise, keep the promise.
Be clear, be honest, be loyal.
Trust makes love feel safe.
And without safety, love becomes tired.
Very tired.
Some husbands say, I work hard. Is that not enough?
Working hard is good,
Very good.
but love also needs presence.
Your wife may need your time, not only your money.
She may need your eyes, your ears, your heart,
Being there matters.
even for a short time, if it is real time.
Real time, not phone time.
Yes, not phone time.
That phone again.
It always comes back.
What if the relationship feels cold now?
Then start simple.
Do not force big moments.
Do not say, why don't you love me like before?
Yes, that can create pressure.
Start with peace.
Start with kindness.
Start with one good conversation.
Then one good week.
Then another.
Change takes time,
Hearts open slowly sometimes.
and that is okay.
Should a husband ask his wife what she needs?
Yes, very directly and very gently.
He can say, I want us to feel close again.
What helps you feel loved?
What do you need more from me?
And then do not fight the answer,
Just listen first,
even if the answer is hard.
especially if the answer is hard.
What answers might she say?
She may say, I need more time with you,
Or, I need softer words.
or I need help.
Or, I need you to notice me again.
These are not crazy things.
No, they are human things.
Very human.
Can humor help?
Yes, gentle humor.
Gentle humor, not silly, hurtful jokes.
Right.
Laugh together.
Smile together.
Share small, happy moments.
Sometimes one soft laugh can open a heavy day.
I like that.
Mark, what about appreciation?
Very important.
Say what you appreciate.
Thank you for this meal.
Thank you for taking care of the home.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for being with me.
Appreciation makes the heart feel alive.
People grow where they feel appreciated.
That is true in marriage, too.
And what if both people are tired and stressed?
Then maybe they need rest, not another fight.
Yes,
Sleep matters.
food matters.
Health matters.
Sometimes people think the problem is only love.
But sometimes they are also just exhausted.
Very exhausted.
Yes, life can do that.
So be patient, too.
Be patient with her and with yourself.
Mark, Can a husband bring back love alone?
He can start alone,
Yes.
but a strong marriage needs two people.
That is honest.
He can bring more peace, more care, more honesty.
And that can open the door.
But both people need to walk through the door.
Yes. Together.
So, if we make this very simple, what are the key ideas?
Okay, let's make a simple list.
1. Listen with attention.
2. Speak kindly.
3. Show respect every day.
4. Help in real ways.
5. Be honest and keep trust.
6. Say sorry and change.
7. Bring small romance back.
8. Ask what she needs.
9. Appreciate her.
10. Be patient.
That is a very good list.
Thank you.
Before we finish, let's give a very simple example.
Yes, a real small example.
A husband comes home from work.
He is tired.
His wife is tired too.
In the past, maybe he sits down, takes his phone, and says very little.
But now, he wants to do better.
So he walks in.
He smiles and says, "Hi, love. How was your day?"
He puts his phone away.
He listens for a few minutes.
Then he says, "You look tired. Let me help."
He helps with dinner or the dishes
Later, he makes tea.
and says, "Thank you for everything you do."
Then maybe he says, "Can we sit together for 10 minutes tonight?"
This is not a huge movie moment,
No, very simple.
but this simple moment can start something beautiful again.
Because love often comes back, one kind moment at a time.
That is a beautiful place to end.
Yes, and we hope this talk helped you learn some easy English too.
Thank you for listening.
Take care of your heart and take care of each other.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone, and keep learning little by little.